pause. What is a pause? While you are speaking, it is very much necessary that while you are speaking, you are pausing on to the main points. You are taking little pauses. You are emphasizing on the things, emphasizing on the main points, emphasizing on your breath, and recalling your points. So, what is a pause? Let's understand that. While you are speaking, you cannot speak because you're inhaling, exhaling. You cannot speak for like lagatar for 5 minutes or 7 minutes or 10 minutes. You have to take pauses to breathe. So take pauses intelligently and creatively. Like the audience doesn't know that you're actually pausing to breathe, and you're pausing in order to emphasize on the main points. Like for example, if I'm delivering something, like I am talking about global warming here. Global warming is a worldwide issue. It needs to be stopped. While the entire world is focused on development, modernization, today there is a concept of sustainable development emerging from the roots. So here I am emphasizing on certain words, on certain points if you closely observe. And that emphasizing while I'm doing, I'm taking a pause. While I'm speaking, I'm taking a slight pause. And the pause is not for a minute or for seconds, it's just like a mini second, a half of a second, a 1/4 of a second. It's just that minute. Emphasizing on some points like global warming needs to be stopped. The entire focus is on the global warming. And while I take a little pause after the global warming, I emphasize on that topic and I emerge it as a main point. It's also necessary to pause in order to give time to absorb. While you are speaking, global warming is a worldwide concept. We need to stop it, and the entire world needs to stop it. We don't have to modernize, we don't have to develop, we just have to work for the system. The audience will not understand what you're saying. You're just like khichdi pakaing and then you are just throwing the bowl of the khichdi to them. So don't do that. Also, when you are coaching, you have to give certain time to the people to write and take notes, and that notes can be taken when you are giving certain amount of pauses. But here, when you're giving pauses, don't please tell me this thing that while I was speaking like this in order to give a pause. Global warming is a concept which needs to be kept in. You are not just teaching ABCD to anyone. Okay, don't do that kind of thing. Don't give pause after every word. You have to take a breath, speak the sentence entirely, and then take a pause. Don't take a pause when you need to breathe. Take a pause when it's necessary and therefore take the breath. You understand the difference? Take a pause when it's necessary and breathe while you're taking that pause. Now, what people do generally is that people prepare speeches and people even learn the pauses. So, initially, what happens is when you're preparing a speech, people learn where to pause. Like, if I'll take the example of global warming. I'm taking the example of global warming here. That global warming is this. I will learn the pause when I'm learning the speech. I will already keep that thing in my mind that I need to take a pause here after this point. Speaking that speech for almost 100 times, the 101th time, my speech will be like so fluent that people would not get to know that my pause is being memorized or the pause which I'm giving is being learned by me. And that is what practice makes a man perfect here.